Howdy guys, the Facts Alive here, coming to you with another PlayStation 3 tutorial. Ever wonder how to make your speakers possibly sound better? Or do your TV speakers kinda suck? Like mine for instance. Well then, I have a solution for you. Especially if you have a nice set of external speakers. As you can see, I'm running HDMI output for my video and audio. However, it doesn't always have to be like that. What you need is the RCA cord that originally came with the system and your external set of speakers. The first step is to plug the RCAs into the back of your PlayStation along with your HDMI. You don't have to mess with it. And you don't have to, and I recommend you don't turn off your system. The second step is to go to the ends and find the right and left audio cables. You don't need the yellow video cable because, well, for obvious reasons. Then you go into the back of your system to where it says line input. And then plug your red into the red and the white into the white. Once that's done, you go back into your system and go over to system settings. When in settings, go down to audio or sound settings. And then audio output settings, and then switch it from HDMI to audio input connector. Save settings, and now your audio should be coming out of your speakers. See? All sound is now coming out of the speakers instead of your television. Very simple, very easy, little bit of a life hack for your PlayStation. Thank you guys. Like and follow me, or like and subscribe. Possibly take a look at my Instagram and my Twitter page too. Have a good day, guys. Peace out.